Okay, let's show you that the GPS in your machine is not working. Let me first take... Where is it? Okay, it's charging. It's charged at 100%. Okay, this is the one I bought from you. Okay. Let me first show you that the SIM card that I'm using is working fine. This is another GPS for the cat I'm using right now, and I thought by buying yours it would be better than this one, but it seems that it's not even working. But let me show you first that it works. So this is connected, huh? And the SIM card I'm using is already inside. Okay, just to show you that it works. Up. Let me first connect to the application, which is GPS 365. As you can see, this GPS, which is not the one I bought from you, works fine. You can see, huh? You can see here. This is me, and this is the GPS of the 73%. Don't know if you can see it. Okay, where you can see the cat. This is the GPS, and this is me. Okay, it works fine. So the SIM card is working here. Okay, now let me take it out from here. Where is it? How can I do it? Okay, here. Okay, there you go. Up, taking out the SIM card. Okay, put it in yours. First of all, I will make it off, put it off. If you remember, it's like this. Okay. Okay. So now your GPS is on off. I will put the SIM card. See, I'm putting it on the right situation. Okay, up here. Okay, done. The GPS is on off, huh? Okay. See, nothing. It's on off. Now I will put it on. It's vibrating. Okay, it's on. Let's go to your application. Application eBay Plus, huh? The one that you eBay Plus, the one that you told me to install. Okay, I will log in. Okay, I log in. Okay, device is offline, it says. Look, where is it? Let's try call number. No, it's not call number. How do you say it? How do you put it? Locate. Device offline. See? Device offline. Clearly it's not working. This is my position, purple. Okay. And if I try to locate the GPS, which is on now, you can see, yeah? It's on now. Locate. Device offline. Huh? Device offline. Clearly this product is not working. I tried it with 3 SIM cards, 3 telecom companies, right? French telecom companies. None of them worked, and all of them worked with this GPS that I bought for 20 euro, 19 euro from Aliexpress. But yours, almost 70 euro, is not working, and I thought it would work. Nothing. I will upload this video and I will share it with you. You will see and hopefully I can get a refund for this product that is not working. By the way, you sent me the O version. I don't know what it means. Maybe you did a mistake and you sent me a version that is compatible with American telecom companies. But I remember I told you, please send me the right version, the version that it works. You can see it by yourself. And I can also use the other application, no? There is Set Tracker 2, okay? The one that is that is written in the file to install. So I will log in, right? Now, enable to get device location information. See? See? I don't know how you can see it. Come on. It's written, enable to locate. It's not working. This is the other application that came with the device. First, health, alarm, reward, location, update schedule, no. Enable device, you see? Enable to get location information. See? Where is it? This is my phone. But if I try to look at the GPS, nothing. Enable, it's written, no? Enable to locate device. It's not working. Don't know if you can read it. Okay. Let's try the third application, because this is Set Tracker 2. Let's try the third application, which is Set Tracker, normal. That it was written in the paper that I received with the GPS. They asked it to ask this application, not ABL Plus. Okay. Thanks for using. Okay, rate later. Thank you. Fucking hell. Okay, here you go. Okay, map. Let's try to find it. It's here. Unable to locate. It's written. Unable to locate. Not working. Clearly, an issue with this this GPS not working. What can I say more than that? I charged it for 100%. Tried many SIM cards, not working. So, please refund or tell me how to proceed to make it work. Thanks.